What if I told you that you can create a WhatsApp chatbot in just 10 minutes? Yes, you heard it right. You can do this by just using an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you how we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot in 10 minutes, which is going to eliminate all the manual conversations between you and your clients. And now let me show you firstly the working of this WhatsApp chatbot, which I have already built in. And afterwards we will proceed towards building this WhatsApp chatbot step by step. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So as a user, I'm going to interact with this business. So here I'm going to send this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And right here we are getting this welcome message which says hello, welcome to Drive Ease Car Rental. And here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my car rental business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. And here we are getting this button, that is book cars, and as I have selected this button, I'm getting the list of the available cars for rental. Now let's open this list and check out the car categories. So here I'm going to select this first category of the car, that is SUV, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the rental duration. So here I'm going to enter my rental duration as 3 days, and afterwards I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the pickup date. So here I'm going to enter my pickup date as 12th May 2026. So now let me just enter it, and as I have provided my pickup date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my pickup timing. So here I'm going to enter my pickup timing as 11 a.m. So here I have provided my pickup timing as well, and as I have provided my pickup timing, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a confirmation message which says your booking request has been submitted successfully. So now you have seen that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, I don't have to manually interact with any of the user, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to provide all the services provided by my business to my clients or customers within the WhatsApp, and even they can book the service too, and I don't have to ask the questions again and again, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do so. And now it is going to perform one more task, that is saving the data to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving all these data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as car rental data, where you can check out that I'm getting the same details which I have recently filled over my WhatsApp regarding this car rental. And right here I'm getting the same details, that is full name is demo user, the car which I have selected through the list, that is SUV, the rental duration, pickup date and time too. So now you have seen the working of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which I have built in within just 10 minutes. So now let's proceed towards creating it, and for that you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the window where we are going to create the flow for this particular WhatsApp chatbot. And if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by tapping the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation or this chatbot freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you, that is the discount coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly, whether you want to buy Pabbly Chatflow or Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and right here I'm on the flow page which I have got from selecting it from the sidebar of the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And make sure to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account, and for that, if you want to learn the entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here on this page, we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which initiates your WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation, or many more. But here I am going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, I have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has initiated my WhatsApp chatbot. So right here I am going to enter this keyword and press the enter key, and right here the keyword is ready, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. And now on your left hand side you can check out these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if a user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message by just drag and drop, and right here I'm going to select text button. Now in this text button node, I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now for creating a button, we simply have to click over this add button, and here I have provided my button name. Now if my user select this button, that is book cards, I'm going to provide them list of the cards, and for that I'm going to use the list node, and here I'm going to provide a body to my list. So here I have provided this body. Now I'm going to create a section by simply selecting this add section, and here I'm going to enter the section title as cars, and now in this particular section I'm going to add some list items or some cards. So here I'm going to enter the first list item, that is SUV, and afterwards I'm going to add some more cards or some more list items to this particular list. So I have added some more items to my list. Now I want to get the response or the item or the card which my user has selected, and for that we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So here a contact custom field will consist of the card selected by my user, and for providing the contact custom field you just have to move over the actions where you will see this option of set custom field, where I'm going to select my contact custom field as car, and afterwards I'm going to enter the same value for which I'm creating this contact custom field. Now if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select, and you will be landed to this page where you can create your own contact custom field by just selecting this button, that is add more field, and afterwards I'm going to provide contact custom field to remaining list items too. So here I have provided contact custom field card to both these list items. Now if my user selects any of these list items, I'm going to ask them some questions for renting these cars, and for that you have to use this ask question node given over the action blocks, and right here I'm going to enter a question asking for the rental duration. Now let's select the contact custom field as rental duration 2, and here I'm going to select my format as any. Now likewise I'm going to add some more questions to this flow. So here I have entered all these questions for the pickup date, pickup timing, and the full name. Now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I'm going to save the data over the Google Sheet, and for that I have to use this node, that is API request. So by using this API request node, I'm going to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with the Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation tool provided by Pabbly which help you to integrate varieties of application. So by using Pabbly Connect, we will be integrating Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet, so that as soon as a message is received over the Pabbly Chatflow, the data can be stored over the Google Sheet. And now I have already integrated this API request node. So here you can see that I have already integrated this API request node by using this web URL, and right here on my Pabbly Connect you can see I have integrated Pabbly Chatflow with the Google Sheet, and here in the Pabbly Chatflow I have got this web URL which I have added in my API request node, and here I have added some parameters for which I want to save the data, and according to the parameters I have selected the contact custom field, as the contact custom field will store the data, and afterwards I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Chatflow, and here I have received this response, and by using this response I have added the data over the Google Sheet and mapped it, and right here you can see that I have mapped all these details, and now as soon as I will receive a new message over the Pabbly Chatflow or these data, the data will be automatically get saved to the Google Sheet. So now this is the way for adding the data to the Google Sheet from your WhatsApp, and afterwards I am going to provide the status fallback, means the final message which I am going to send to my users. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and with this we are done with the creation of our flow. And now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button. So now you have seen the creation of an amazing WhatsApp chatbot which you can build within 10 minutes, and it is going to perform multiple operations. So now you can also create it for any business you are running. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.